Hello, my name is Juku Samuel, founder of Delight Agro Services Limited, a climate-smart agribusiness building solar-powered agro-processing hubs for smallholder farmers in Nigeria. Across Africa, millions of farmers work hard to produce food, yet a significant portion of their harvest is lost before it reaches the market. This is often due to some causes like poor access to processing facilities, storage, infrastructure, reliable energy, and even markets. As a result, farmers are forced to sell produce at low prices, lose income, and remain trapped in cycles of low productivity. Having worked directly with farming communities and productive use of energy projects across Nigeria, I have witnessed these challenges firsthand. I saw farmers travel long distances to process crops, spend heavily on fuel, or lose valuable produce to spoilage. The most saddening is the fact that you have to see young girls who ought to be in school actively pounding paddy rice just to eat rice in their homes. That experience alone inspired me to start Delight Agro. Our solution is simple but quite transformative. We deploy solar-powered agro-processing hubs that provide affordable access to processing, storage, and value addition services. Instead of farmers purchasing expensive equipment individually, they access shared infrastructures on a pay-per-use basis. We also integrate equipment financing, farmer aggregation, and digital productivity tools to strengthen the entire agricultural value chain. Our model helps farmers reduce post-harvest losses, increase incomes, and build resilience against climate-related disruptions. By using renewable energy, we also lower operating costs and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Our vision is to create a network of climate-smart agro-processing hubs across Nigeria and eventually across Africa. We plan to start with our pilot hub in Kalong, Plateau State, where we have started community engagement. We have entered partnership with a mini grid developer who has agreed for us to do that in their site. From then, we're able to refine our model. We're able to scale through strategic partnerships and a standardized hub replication approach. The GoGettaz prize will enable us to accelerate the deployment of our first hub, demonstrate impact at scale, and create greater opportunities for rural farmers, women, and youth. We are not just building an agro-processing hub. No, we are building the infrastructure that help African farmers thrive in challenging and changing climate. At Delight Agro, we believe that farmers should not only grow food, they should also capture more value from it. Thank you for your consideration.